Hello and welcome to Interactive Kids. Everybody sleeps with a fan, don't they? But which fan's best for you when you're out camping? I got two of them right here. We're going to compare side by side and see what you got to think. I think you're going to like them, so y'all stick around. This Conbola fan was sent to us about a year ago, and I've done a lot of videos with this in the background, and we've used this pretty much ever since it was sent. Great fan. But this other company, OGERY, if that's how you pronounce it, sent us this one. We ain't even unboxed it yet, so that's what we're fixing to do. We're going to put it to work. I'm going to show you all the ins and outs of it. First off, I want to talk about this Conbola fan that we've been using. It comes with its own solar panel and C charging cord. It has a flashlight, several different settings, and then it has a speed control of 25% up to 100%. Now, how long will it last? If I put it on 50%, it'll last all night long. It does put out a good volume of air. I've liked this one. It's been great. It's been very durable, and it's not too big and heavy. It also has a little hanger that you can hang up in your tent. Now this new OGERY, like I said, I just unboxed it. I don't know how long it's going to last, but look at the battery size on this. It also has a nice little light that you can put different intensities to. Has a sleep mode timer. You can keep it on for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and then it'll go off on its own. And this is what I really like about this. The knob right here gives you the intensity of how fast you want the fan to go. So if we put it all the way on high, and then check this out. Tell me that ain't cool. Now as far as output goes, I got this one all the way on max. I'll turn this one all the way to 100%. They're about the same. I think the Conbola is a little stronger. I can feel it right there, and then this one I can feel it right here. It's a little bit stronger. I can't wait to use this one to just see how long it's going to last. But it's about 105 down here in Oklahoma Panhandle, and even though I have AC in that camper, I may have both these running tonight. This OGERY is really a nice fan, and so is this Conbola. This one's just a little bit more compact where you can pack it away a little bit easier. And again, it does come with its own solar panel. This one just came, as you saw, just right out of the box, just with this. But it does come with a remote, and that's pretty cool. That way you can turn this off while you're still sitting in the bed. You got to get up and turn this one off. I don't know. Both are pretty neat. This one also has a hanger that you can hang from your tent. So it's more of a preference thing, really. The only thing this one don't have is a radio. Anyway, it's your choice, but I like them both. And if you're looking for a camping fan, I recommend either one of them. And that's all I've got on that. So always remember, leave it better than you found it. And if I don't see you on the trail, I'll see you down the road.